Did you know that humans are one of the few mammals that cannot produce their own vitamin C? We must obtain vitamin C through our diet or supplements. Vitamin C is a crucial nutrient for maintaining a healthy immune system, and that's why it's important for individuals following a plant-based lifestyle to ensure they are getting adequate amounts of this essential vitamin. In this video, we will explore the top 10 vegan sources of vitamin C that can help boost your immune system and support overall well-being. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, plays a vital role in the body. It acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, and is involved in collagen synthesis, immune function, and wound healing. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is around 75 to 90 milligrams, although higher amounts may be necessary during times of illness or stress. So let's dive in and see what are the top 10 vegan sources of vitamin C. Number 1. Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, providing approximately 92.7 milligrams per 100 grams. Consuming one medium-sized kiwi fruit, around 69 grams, would provide roughly 64 milligrams of vitamin C, covering a significant portion of the daily requirement. Enjoy this tangy and refreshing fruit in smoothies, salads, or as a healthy snack. Number 2. Strawberries. With approximately 59 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, strawberries are a delicious and versatile vitamin C-rich option. Consuming about 150 grams of strawberries would supply approximately 89 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting or exceeding the recommended daily intake. Add them to breakfast bowls, desserts, or enjoy them on their own. Number 3. Rosehips. Rosehips, derived from the fruit of the rose plant, are rich in vitamin C, offering about 426 milligrams per 100 grams. Incorporate rose hips into teas, jams, or use them as a natural supplement. Because they are usually consumed in the form of herbal teas or as a supplement, it's advisable to follow the recommended dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer or consult a healthcare professional. Number 4. Guava. Guava is a tropical fruit that packs a punch when it comes to vitamin C, providing around 228 milligrams per 100 grams. One medium-sized guava, around 55 grams, would provide roughly 125 milligrams of vitamin C, fulfilling a significant portion of the daily requirement. Enjoy its unique flavor in smoothies, salads, or as a fresh snack. Number 5. Blackcurrants. These small berries are a great addition to your vitamin C arsenal, containing approximately 181 milligrams per 100 grams. 50 grams of blackcurrants would provide around 90 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting the recommended daily intake. Use them in desserts, jams, or add them to your morning cereal. Number 6. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content, offering about 53 milligrams per 100 grams. Consuming one medium-sized orange, around 131 grams, would provide roughly 70 milligrams of vitamin C, contributing to the daily requirement. Savor their juicy goodness as a snack in salads or freshly squeezed as a refreshing drink. Number 7. Pineapple. Bursting with tropical flavor, pineapple provides approximately 47 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams. To meeting the recommended daily intake, you should consume about 190 grams of pineapple, roughly 1 cup. This would provide approximately 89 milligrams of vitamin C. You can enjoy this delicious fruit in fruit salads, smoothies, or as a flavorful addition to savory dishes. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya is not only a delicious tropical fruit, but also a rich source of vitamin C, with around 62 milligrams per 100 grams. Consuming about 145 grams of papaya would provide roughly 90 milligrams of vitamin C, fulfilling the daily requirement. Add it to fruit salads, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it on its own. Number 9. Mango. Mangoes offer a sweet and juicy way to boost your vitamin C intake, providing approximately 36 milligrams per 100 grams. In order to meet the recommended daily intake, you should be consuming around 250 grams of mango, which is about 1 mango or 1.5. You enjoy them in smoothies, salsas, or as a standalone treat. Number 10. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in various vibrant colors and are packed with vitamin C. Red peppers contain around 127 milligrams. Green peppers around 80 milligrams. and yellow peppers around 183 milligrams per 100 grams. Use them in stir-fries, salads, or roasted vegetable dishes to add a plus of vitamin C to your meals. Now let's go over some tips for maximizing vitamin C intake and absorption. Try to incorporate a variety of vitamin C-rich foods into your diet to ensure a diverse nutrient profile. Always opt for fresh, whole foods over processed options, as they retain higher vitamin C content. If you use these sources for cooking, make sure you use cooking techniques like steaming or stir-frying to preserve vitamin C in foods. And don't forget to tailor your choices to suit your dietary preferences and restrictions, ensuring a balanced and enjoyable intake of vitamin C. One key aspect worth mentioning is that vitamin C not just boosts your immune system, but it also increases the absorption of iron in your body. By incorporating vitamin C-rich foods along with iron-rich vegan options, you can enhance the absorption of iron in your body. Make sure you watch this next video, where we'll dive into the top iron-rich vegan foods and how pairing them with vitamin C can optimize iron absorption.